Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video of WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add social icon and social icon links in your header with simple steps. So let's start. Log into your dashboard and have a look. There is no social icon. So if you scroll down, you see a social icon over here. If you don't see that video, get the link from the description and check it out. So I have to add some social links over here. So let's start how to add here. Okay, go to your website, click on edit site. I'm gonna tell you how to add with the beta editor. Okay, so we have to add the social link over here. So I click on header, click on plus and search here social icon, and the social icon area will appear here. So I want to add a social link over here. Here you can see a plus. Click on plus, and you can see FB, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, WordPress, and other is shown. If you don't, if they don't show, you can also search for like Facebook, and it will appear here. I want to add one more. For example, I want to add YouTube, and I want to add one more like LinkedIn. Okay, so now our social icon is added. We have to add a link over here. As I click on FB icon, address is show here. So I'm going to tell you how to enter address here um, from laptop. Open your FB and FB page. Okay, go to your profile. You can from going in, you can also get the link by going to the setting. So as you can see, I'm on my page. So I'm gonna, here is a URL of the FB. I'm gonna copy it, Control A for select and Control C for copy. I go on my page, go on my editor, Control V, and click on save. Let's preview. As you can see, my FB icon is shown over here. As I click on it, I will go on that page. Okay, so it's work like that. Okay, I want to add my YouTube. So same as it, same do as with Apple. Like go to your YouTube. You can also get the links from going into the settings of your social. Control A for select, Control C for copy. Click on it. Control V. Click on save. And I also want a link of LinkedIn. So I open my LinkedIn account. Go to my profile. Copy. Go to the editor. Click on it. Control V. Click on save. You want to preview. Refresh. As you can see, my icons is shown here. You want to add as much as you want. If I click on the YouTube icon, I will go on YouTube channel like that. If you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so subscribe now. Click on LinkedIn, you will see I'm on my LinkedIn account. Okay, so I hope you know now how to attach the link and how to add icons. If you want to change their positions, you can also change the positions. For example, I want to do this in logos, so as you can see, it will show in logos only. And if you want to in fill shape, so it will be change the position. I go for default, and it go, if you want to justification in here, and if you want justification like that, it will be like that. If you want to in center, it will be in center. Okay, if you want to do like that, it will be appear like that. And if you want to be appear like that, so you can do the setting as you want. You can also change the icons color. For example, you want to do that. Okay, so the icon color will be changed, but I don't think so we should change the color because the icons have their own unique colors. If you want to add some background, you can also do that. For example, like that. If you want to give them a specific color, you can give them a specific color like that, like that, like that. Let's say, so you see its color be pale like that. You can change the colors. Here's some advanced setting if you want to style them or something like that. So you can also style them. If you want to do that, the link open in another tab, so it can also work like that. Okay, click on AB and it will be on next page. Okay, if you want to see any new labels, so it will be like that. Okay, if you want to show them all with names, so it will be appear in with names. Sorry, it's not same. So as you can see, it will work like that. Okay, I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any curious question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.